So this game is called Moon Bounce, okay? So the balls, I want you to pretend are moons, okay? Now they're falling from the sky, okay? Our job is to not... Oh, Archie! Our job now is to not let our moon touch the floor, okay? Your job is to like keep your hands, you want to try and bounce it, throw it, okay? But you can't let it touch the floor, okay? You want to try and keep it up in the air for as long as you can. Do you think you can do that? Should we give it a go? So when you're ready, off we go. Try and keep it up in the air, throw, catch, don't let it bounce. Catch it. Almost. Remember, try to keep it up in the air. There we go. Where's your one gone? There you go. Oh, and again. Where's yours gone? Almost. There we go. 2 more minutes then.